Hello everyone, welcome to TechCAD Guru, the civil engineers and the architects. So in today's session of the Autodesk Revit 2023 playlist, we are going to see module 3, which is creating a grids. So in the last session or the last module, we have seen starting a project and create levels. So now we are going to create grids at the same project. So I will minimize. So as you can see that these were the levels which we have taught you in the last module. So now we have to create the grids. So to creating grids, you have to eventually go into any of the levels. After going into the levels, you have to click GR, which is the shortcut of the grid, And then you can, if you want, you can create similar, which is CS again, and then it. The second thing is like, if you know the distance between these, so now it's 4300. Now I just want to, replicate this 3600 over here. So what I will do is click this, create similar CS. So this is pick line. Pick line means it will just replicate the same which give the path. For example, now 3600 is the offset. Just drag it down here like this. See, you want here or here. So I want here. So if you check DI dimension, shortcut is DI. So it's 3600. The second thing is like, if you want this whole thing to be replicated here, what I will do, I will just click create similar. Okay, or else I will select this. Then in modify, there is a mirror option. I will just click here. So you can see this. So this mirror tool and all, we'll see it later on one by one. So I hope grid command is been clear for you guys. So now if I go into any of the levels, these grids will be visible to you, but not in the 3D because it's not an 3D object. Grids won't be visible in 3D, and as of now, until and unless we go and play into the visibility graphics settings, and on the floor plan, obviously levels won't be able to see. So this is the difference between levels and grids. So I hope you have understand this. If not, just ping in the comment section whatever doubt you have and let us know so that we can resolve your doubts. Do like this video so that we can create new videos for you guys. And in the next session, we are going, or the model, we are going to see what like creating walls. So this is 4 grids we created. Yeah. So here we are going to see how to create walls in the project and the details about the walls. So till then, guys, stay tuned. Thank you so much. Take care.